from Belgium, Germany, and Germany with our own money.
Our reporter from ABS-CBN, Zed Hernandez po. She's also reporting.
I'm an ex-mayor of Kabakan. I'm a two-termer. My husband is also a mayor.
Ay, hindi.
Bakit naman?
Oo. She's a lawyer. She tried to check the health of our president. He's an 80 years old by March 28.
So pwede nga po,
he was kidnapped in the Philippines.
Kasi parang we will mention na nandito yung supporters. Sa totoo lang, syempre may magsasabi na hindi pinapakita ang supporters niya.
Yeah. You can show us that we are not paid.
Yes, sir.
And he's my husband.
Are you married to her?
Yeah. Yes. We married at the Manila.
From the Philippines.
Yes.
Ano na lang po, mag-email lang.
Email mo.
ay maaaring hindi mapagbigyan ang interim release request. Pero yan ang isa sa mga remedies na maaaring tignan ng team ni Vice President Duterte, ng legal team ni former President Duterte. Ayon po yan sa Article 60 of the Rome Statute.
You know where to find me. Anyone who's insistent on finding me will find me.
Sir, how many? The ICC.
Yeah.
So sorry. Ano lang po yung ano? Kumusta po siya? Kumusta na lang po yung kalusugan niya?
Mali? Ah! Siya yung ano, sinungaling.